In the current scenario of globalization, as we are moving more and more towards the contemporary home decor, we have somehow forgotten our own Indian culture. Our Indian culture, which is extremely rich, lively and colorful. We have colors of all the celebrations and happiness. So why not we make our house as lively as our country and dedicate at least one of our room to this rich culture. Hi, I am Gitika Arya, and on this channel I upload videos related to home decor, fashion, lifestyle, health, fitness and DIYs. And in today's video, I am going to give makeover to one of my room in a very traditional Rajasthani theme. So without further ado, padharo hamare desh.
So this is the room which I'm going to decorate. We have 3 bedrooms in our house, so I decided that I will make this as an entertainment cum bedroom. The color theme of the room we decided is red, yellow and green because we already had these green curtains. So accordingly we decided the color theme. And on this wall we want to paint a different color, that's why they are leveling. And on both the sides of the wall on the roof we are going to hang the ethnic lamps, and I am giving all the product links in the description box below in case you guys are interested. So he's using a very strong wire to hang this lamp. You can use hook as well to hang the lamp. Because our lamp's wire is small and the connection we are going to give, the socket is very far, so we are using the extra white wire. And because the wall is of white color, so we are using the same colored wire so that it gets disappeared. In the areas where we are going to paint the wall, we are going to paint the wire as well. So on both the sides he hanged the lamp. So then I selected this brick red kind of shade. This is Asian Paints Royal 7228 shade. And as I wanted look of Rajasthani village, that's why I have selected this color. And because this color is dark, that's why I am using it only on a single wall. In the villages, people use white rice paste for, making some designs on the walls. I want to give the same look. That's why we are making these beautiful ethnic patterns with the help of the white paint. So we got a set of 5 ethnic stencils. And with the help of stencil, you can decorate your wall in any pattern. Like here we are making the ethnic kind of theme, so accordingly we are designing the wall. And you can use also only a part of the stencil, like here only we are using the lower part of the stencil, not the whole stencil. I think this is a very good idea if you want to give a makeover to any of your wall. Just use some stencils, and according to the theme you have to select the stencils. Then I hang these curtains. So as I told you, we already had these curtains. These are in the creamish and the green shade. That's why we decided the theme green, red and yellow. Then we got this made from a local carpenter shop. So this is like a low height divan cum bed. You can open it and you can convert it into a bed. Then I laid down this plain green single bed sheet, and it was having a pillow cover also, but here I am using the cushions. I'm using a plain bed sheet here as I'm going to add so many cushions of various colors. So firstly I selected 18 by 18 inches size of green cushion covers. These are very cute with little pom-poms on the ends. Then we added 2 bolsters also. Then I got these mirror worked cushion covers in different colors like yellow, red. Then I arranged them in various combinations as I had 3 shades. So I wanted a bright look here. That's why I'm arranging them in different combinations to see which looks the best. So now yellow, red and green, I think they are looking perfect. Then I placed this floor rug. It's beautiful, very ethnic, very bohemian, and I like its colors also, and it's circular. I wanted a circular rug here. So I think this is perfect for this room. Then on both the side walls I want to hang some decor pieces which are ethnic as well, so I decided to go with the lipan work. So basically the lipan work is a work in the Kutch, and the people there, they do it on their houses and now they sell also. So I got these online, I will give the links, but if it is possible then try to buy these directly from the artisans. They are very pretty, they have beautiful mirror work as well, and they're very bohemian. They have done this work on the MDF boards, and I got these in different colors, like the green, red and the black shade were the dominant colors. Then I DIY'd simple aluminium trunk, and I am using here Asian Royal enamel paint, and this paint is specially for the metals, wood, and we are using red color, and I just gave 2-3 coats, and we mixed terpene oil in the paint. We didn't use any kind of primer in it. So I'm also going to try some lipan work here. So for that I ordered these Fevicryl molded. It's a box of so many pouches, because here I don't know how many I will use, because this whole trunk will be decorated by the same. And I got some mirrors also, and then I got some Fevicol also to paste all the work. In every single packet of molded you will get 2 packets of different clays, so you just have to mix them really well, because there are 2 different types of clays, and after mixing them only you can make different patterns with this clay. So you just have to make a dough, you have to mix them really well. Then you just have to make different shapes like circles, leaves, lines, whatever you want for your design. Like we used to do it in the childhood with the help of the clay. Like that only, you just have to make different shapes and just paste it with the help of Fevicol, and in between use mirrors also. So like I want a line here, so I am just rolling this clay as thin as possible, and I have made a line, and I will stick it with the Fevicol, and like that you have to make a beautiful design. And I am making the design on all the 4 corners and in the front, because in actually the front is mainly visible of the trunk. Then I'm going to make a beautiful corner on the opposite wall of the brick red wall. So here I hang this Krishna key holder, and then I just put this trunk which I DIY'd earlier. And this trunk is looking very gorgeous. I really loved it, and it's really easy to make, but it takes lots of time and effort. Then I hang this wall hanging. This I got from Delhi Heart a way back. This is having elephants and that sort of like ethnic vibe. Then I just added a cushion and a mat, and then I placed Buddha over this mat, and then I placed a small plant, artificial plant, and a crystal flower, and I think it's looking very pretty. I arranged so many things on this trunk and I tried so many things. Finally this was the look which I wanted. Then I placed these 3 sets of matki which my mommy made many years back. My mother had these and she gifted me these, so I placed these matkis here. These are very ethnic, very Indian. Then I placed this foldable stool, and over it I placed this mirror worked flower vase which I got from Banjara market. And then I hang this gorgeous planter with these white flowers. These are the artificial flowers. Actually, this is LED light with flowers over it. So this is operated by battery. It's very gorgeous. It looks very, very stylish. Then I placed floor cushions over the floor just beneath the lippen work wall, and in this area I want to increase the sitting capacity for any guests. So for that I bought 4 floor cushions. So whenever guests come I just put these, and when there are no guests there is no need of these cushions, so I just put them back in the trunk and the almirah so that I can get the empty space in the room, and that way the cleaning of the room will be easy also. So this is a very good way to increase the sitting capacity if you want to make a low sitting area. Then I added this golden corners. These are having 2 trays to put any decor pieces, so I got these 2 for both the sides of the bed, and they are having a ethnic vibe. They look very vintagey in the look. So I place this money plant over this, and beneath I added this lantern, and then I added a shank also. On this side again I placed a plant, the palm plant, and on the lower tray I decided to place this ethnic lamp, as we have sockets here so it will be easy for us to lighten it up. And I also placed a Buddha here. To brighten up this area, I am using LED lights. These are battery operated lights, and I am using this Krishna key holder to make the loops of the lights around it. So I placed the end of the LED with the batteries just behind the cushion. Then I made the loop around the key holder, and then the another end I tied with the help of this hanging, the elephant hanging. Then I also hanged a beautiful loop with some flowers on this key holder, and I think this corner is ready.